There is no life outside you, Lord. Everywhere finds meaning in your presence. To serve you, oh, what joy, what sweetness divine. When I wake, you are my song. Through the day, you carry me along. Every breath, it speaks your name.